Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 answer 9. So the first question is, which external plugin is recommended by Unity itself to overcome the Unity UI disadvantages? Okay, so there are many disadvantages in Unity's UI, and one of those disadvantage is a normal text, like normal text object or component. So what it does is it displays the text on a screen, but like the small, when the screen or the size of the text, that game object gets small, that text gets pixelated or blurry. Okay, so it's like many times it's even unreadable for small screens. So it's hard to work in phone screens and stuff. So to overcome that disadvantage, Unity created an external plugin that is called TextMeshPro. Okay, so we can use now, instead of normal text, we can use TextMeshPro UGUI element, and that will create a crisp text even for small, like even if the size of the text object is very small, or even if it is we are looking at on a mobile platform or something, that text gets very sharp and clearly readable. So the TextMeshPro is an external plugin recommended by Unity itself to overcome the disadvantage of text. And the second question is, which are the two by default game objects that are created by Unity when we create an UI object or any UI object? Okay, so Unity creates canvas and event system if they don't exist inside a scene whenever we create an UI object. Okay, the third question is, what is canvas and canvas group? What is the use case of canvas group? Okay, so canvas and canvas group both are an element a component provided by the Unity itself. So canvas component is it draws the UI on a screen. Okay, so the work of canvas component is to draw the UI on a screen, or even in world space, but that's a different thing. But the main thing is it draws the UI and mostly on the screens. Okay, and the second is canvas group. So canvas group is a component provided by Unity that allows us to control certain values, for example alpha value, or is it interactable or not, of multiple UIs. So let's say there is an X object and there are multiple UI components below that X object. So I can control the alpha value of all of those objects that are under that by using canvas group, and I can even control if those objects are interactable or not. So if they will yes, they are interactable or not. If there is there are 10 buttons on a parent object, and there is a canvas group on the parent object, then I can set the alpha value of all of 10 buttons at the same time. I change the alpha value in a canvas group, and all of those buttons alpha value get changed, and I can even set if those buttons are interactable or not. So if they are not interactable, then I can just even if the player clicks on those buttons, they will never get clicked. So that is the thing. Okay.